Hello and welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today's topic of discussion is GPT-5. We already have content related to GPT-5, and I will explain that it is available in any model. For example, if we turn on the free model, GPT-5 appears in ChatGPT as a fully functional model. However, the difference between the two apps is that in this example, I have the Plus plan, which provides access to GPT-5 with advanced reasoning. This option includes expanded messages and uploads, faster image generation, enhanced deep research, and agent models. It also offers expanded memory, content, projects, tasks, and custom GPTs. SORA video generation is available as well, along with a Codex agent that can be fully applied. GPT-5 provides worldwide access in free accounts too. So what's the difference between the newer and older tools? We have the GPT-5 Thinking model. Now, let's see what options are available in the GPT-5 Thinking model compared to the standard GPT-5 model. The GPT-5 Thinking model differs from the normal GPT-5 model. If I ask the same question using GPT-5, this time I'll activate the Thinking mode. This mode employs generative AI with full reasoning, including examples, diagrams, and other relevant content. To illustrate, I'll use a young assistant named Devin, who is freely accessible worldwide via GPT-5. We can explore various discussion types here. In thinking mode, the model takes longer to generate a better, more thorough answer. It outlines options and explains concepts generatively, rather than providing a quick response. If needed, it can also generate a faster answer, but here I'm focusing on the full reasoning process. Once I submit the query, GPT-5 starts processing and thinking through the information to provide a comprehensive response. This is one of the main tools GPT-5 offers. The main focus of GPT-5 is that it automatically replaces older versions like 4.0, 4.0 mini, and other models. Instead, only GPT-5 is used, where previously we had to access multiple models and explore different themes. GPT-5 now selects the best model for the task automatically. After selecting it, it guides us on how to generate content. If video generation is needed, it picks the most suitable model. For detailed design work, it might automatically choose 4.0, and for reasoning, it may select 4.0 mini. It can offer multiple models depending on the requirement. Here, it shows a 17-second thought process with multiple steps provided. Scrolling down reveals the core idea of GPT-5, along with training-related discussions, quick examples, and complete explanations. Here, it offers brief explanations, but each one is accompanied by diagrams that can be used effectively. Fully created diagrams can be generated and copied for use in tools like Excalidraw. For example, when using Mermaid diagrams, entering the command merm2diagram provides an explanation on how to extract content from users. If we review our first Mermaid diagram, it is displayed here as well. As it is entered into Mermaid, a stepwise discussion is included, showing all derivations and explanations clearly, making the concepts easier to understand. These features are scalable for larger projects. To highlight a difference quickly, GPT-5 offers faster responses. However, when using the thinking model, it offers slower response. And in ChatGPT-5. It also offers short to medium reasoning, while GPT-5 provides extended reasoning. In GPT-5, it is ideal for chat, question and answer sessions, and content creation. When discussing GPT-5 Thinking, it is designed for complex problem solving and planning. For latency, GPT-5 operates on a lower latency model, whereas GPT-5 Thinking offers more detailed responses with higher latency. In GPT-5 Thinking, multiple options are available. And within these options, the agenting mode has been expanded in functionality. If there is a need to connect additional elements, these options can automatically integrate, enabling the creation of presentations, spreadsheets, actions, reports, and more. Hopefully, this video proves helpful and encourages you to explore these features in the coming days. You can see that GPT-5 offers 3 models. But upgrading to Pro is not yet possible since the current plan is Plus, which includes advanced reasoning. If using Pro, it would provide access to GPT-5 with Pro reasoning, offering a different perspective. The key differences between Plus and Pro lie in latency. and the ability to measure reasoning chains. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest uploads.